Alright, you're welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you a couple of things around how to combine fonts. A lot of designers struggle with what kind of fonts to combine together. You begin to think, okay, and some designers don't even know the different types of fonts that we have. So in this video I'm going to show you an easy AI platform where you can get how to combine fonts together for free. All right, so I said AI, artificial intelligence. Anything that's artificial and that is intelligence is what I'm referring to as AI. So this is a platform, and it shows you how to combine fonts, or what font to combine with what. That will really go. And there are a couple of things I like about the website, so I'm going to show. We're going to explore the site together, and we're going to see how um, awesome the platform is. Alright, because you can get a lot of things done. So if you want to support the channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video, subscribe to the channel, like I've said, and also share the videos to other people. Let's go right into the platform. In this platform, if you come to this platform, you're going to see a couple of things that you can do. Alright, so one thing I like about that, just click the menu if you're using your phone, and then click on pairings. Alright, if you click on pairings, the website is fontpair.co. If you go there, you're going to see it's very easy. You're going to see how to combine fonts together. So now for font pairing, if you scroll down, the fonts are already paired together. Alright, so now you can expand. And one thing I like about this is even the color to combine are also suggested. Alright, so the colors are also suggested, and you can get to use the color. I love this a little bit. Okay, alright, so now for example, if you're going with this, oh, this is nice. Alright, if you expand it, you're going to see it's going to tell you the font, and also tell you the other font to combine with it. The font for, you can see the headline, the font for the headline is special ghetto expanded one. This is the font, and this is it. And then the body, special gothic. Alright, this is it. The background is giving you this hex code for the background. Alright, that is a suggestion, right? The text, the color for the text is this. The primary color, the hex code is this. You can download and you can copy them and just take to your design, whether it's Pixellab, and I believe you should know how to enter hex code with Pixellab. Maybe I'm going to create a video around that as well. Okay, so now these are suggestions. So these are the fonts, and these are color suggestions. You must not follow the color, but for the fonts, you can see you can follow the fonts, headline, and then the other ones. So if I go back now, if you want to download, if you don't have this one and you want to download them, just click on it. It's going to take you there. The person that designed it, the category is sans serif. Okay, now we have serif fonts. We have sans serif font as well. So other fonts, font types are there, script fonts are there, and a couple of other decorative fonts, a couple of other types of fonts. Okay, but majorly we juggle between serifs and sans serif fonts, and then maybe sometimes scripts font, depending on the kind of design we're making. Alright, so now if you want to download it, it's just to click download font, and the font will be downloaded. If you don't have the other one, you go back, you click on it right from here, you download it, so you can combine two of them for your design. So there are a lot of them here. Some mono, you have a lot to combine. Now if you want to change category, you can see different categories here: mono space fonts, handwritten font, script fonts, display, and all of that. So if you want to go to serif font, if you click it, it's going to change to serif font depending on the kind of design you're doing, right? So if you're doing for design for a tech based company, you don't use serif fonts. Okay, you use sans serif for such designs. Okay, so this is one of the websites where you can get idea on how to pair fonts. Alright, and you can use AI tools even like ChatGPT, Gemini, was this Copilot. You can use these AI tools to also ask questions as to what fonts to pair together if you're designing something for a particular brand, all right, for a particular brand, you can you can also explore ChatGPT, and we are going to say new charts. We are going to say I want to create a marketing flyer for a estate real estate company. Suggests the fonts I should pair for the branding, and the flyer. I want to create instead of marketing flyer, just say a brand guide. Let's just use brand guide. So just hit enter and it's going to write it out for you. All right, so you can also use for real estate, you can see logo, brand logo. Now, okay, these are the what's it called, these are the font: Montserrat and Playful Display. All right, so that's for premium, suggesting second, modern, clean, poppins, and open sans. You can see all of this sans serif fonts. Okay, Roboto, I think I know. Yeah, these are sans serif fonts. Awesome, I love this. Okay, I love this. So now you can use these ones to get ideas as well. You can go straight to the platform and get the idea from there. So any of this works. So for this, you just click it. I think, yep, it's going to open up. It's going to take me to that place. Or you can just copy and then open a new tab, write it on Google, and then you are good to go. All right, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Bye for now.